Every domain, be it marketing, finance, IT, data science, or HR, needs an individual to possess and also master the term called technical skills. Unfortunately, we live in an era where the competition is so fierce, even a small mistake or less competency can cost us our interview or maybe even the job we applied for if we talk about the bigger picture. Every organization has 3 rounds of interview: screening, technical, and final round with the founder or CEO. So you know that technical skills are extremely crucial and can never be compromised with, until and unless you want to lose your job or not pass the interview round. For all of you who wish to understand the technical skills required for a data science career, let us get started. Probability and statistic data science is about using processes, algorithms, or systems to extract knowledge, insights, and make informed decisions from data. In that case, making inferences, estimating, or predicting form an important part of data science. Probability, with the help of statistical methods, helps make estimates for further analysis. Statistics is mostly dependent on the theory of probability. Putting it simply, both are intertwined. How can you make use of probability and statistic in data science? First, explore and understand more about the data. Second, determine patterns or motives of the data. Third, uncover anomalies in data. Programming and packages. Of course, data science essentially is about programming. Programming skills for data science bring together all the fundamental skills needed to transform raw data into actionable insights. While there is no specific rule about the selection of programming languages, Python and R are the most favorite ones. In no particular order, here's a list of programming languages and some packages for data science to choose from. First, Python. Second, R. Third, SQL. Fourth, Java. Fifth, Julia. Sixth, Scala. 7, MATLAB. 8, TensorFlow. Great while learning data science. Machine learning and deep learning. ML is a subset of the data science ecosystem, just like statistics or probability that contributes to the modeling of data and obtaining results. Machine learning for data science includes algorithms that are central to ML, k-nearest neighbors, random forest, Bayes, regression models, PyTorch, TensorFlow, Keras also find it usability in machine learning for data science. What can you do with ML and DL skills and expertise? Automatic spam filtering, facial and voice recognition systems, improved interactive voice response, fraud and risk detection and management. Learning ML and DL should not even be a question and become a necessity. They will help you in your entire data science journey towards success. Data visualization. What does data visualization necessarily mean? It is a graphical representation of the finding from the data under consideration. It is always better to portray things visually. The real value is well established and understood. When we create a visualization, it is certain we get meaningful information, which holds the power to influence the system. Histograms, bar charts, pie charts, scatter plots, line plots, time series, relationship maps, heat maps, geo maps, 3D plots, and a long list of visualization you can use for your data. How can you make use of data visualization in data science? Plot data for powerful insights, visualize areas that need attention or improvement, identify factors that influence customer behavior, understand which product to place where, display trends from news, connection, websites, social media. Data wrangling. Last but obviously not the least, data wrangling. For those who are not well versed with this term, it is the process where you prepare your data for further analysis. Basically, just transforming and mapping raw data from one form to another to prep up the data for insights. For data wrangling, you basically acquire data, combine the relevant fields, and then cleanse the data. What can you do with the data wrangling in data science? Provide a very accurate representation of actionable data in the hands of business and data analysts in a timely manner. Enable data scientists to focus more on the analysis of data rather than the cleaning part. Lead the data-driven decision-making process in a direction supported by accurate data. With this, we come to an end for this session. We have carefully structured this video session with the top 5 technical skills that help you in your data science career. Without the technical skills, people don't stand a chance at making a great career. Soft skills might be very important, but technical skills are equally important to make sure you are capable enough to perform your roles and responsibility. With this, we say goodbye and keep following us for more such videos on important topics. Thank you and happy learning.